First, pop the hood and remove the push pins that hold the air shield in place. Remove the air duct cover. Remove the 4 bolts along the top of the grille. Pull the grille out. Remove the fender flare by turning the 5 quarter-turn clips and pulling the fender flare from the Bronco. Remove the front fascia by pulling the sides of the fascia out and then pulling the fascia from the front of the Bronco. Remove the 3 screws that hold in the fascia bracket. Remove the 3 bolts that hold the front tie-down brackets in place. Remove the splash shield by removing the 3 push pins and 4 bolts on each side. Remove the mid-fender bolt behind the splash shield. Remove the door and unscrew the 3 bolts that are holding the fender to the A-pillar. Then remove the 3 remaining bolts on this end of the fender. Unscrew the remaining bolt in the fender towards the front of the Bronco. Remove the 3 bolts that are holding the fender inside the engine compartment. Finally, remove the fender.